Our lesson today about how to ask when in modern standard Arabic, Levantine colloquial, and Egyptian colloquial. Let's start. Hi, I'm Riwa and this is my channel Learn Arabic with Riwa. If you want to ask when in modern standard Arabic, it means meta. For example, if you want to say when will you come, you say متى ستأتي. متى means when. Sa, this is seen in the beginning of the verb, it means will, and تأتي means you come. If you say to man, and تأتين means come if you say or ask a woman. So متى ستأتي, it means when will you come for man. متى ستأتين, it means when will you come for woman. This is about modern standard Arabic. But if you want to ask when in Levantine colloquial, it means وقتيش. وقتيش. It means وقتيش. So وقتيش حتيجي. This is ha before the verb means will, means future tense. وقتيش حتيجي. وقتيش حتيجي, and وقتيش حتيجي we use for man and woman. So if I ask man, I say وقتيش حتيجي. If I ask woman, وقتيش حتيجي, also I ask her. So no difference like modern standard Arabic. But in colloquial or in Egyptian colloquial, it means امتى. امتى. So if you want to ask when will you come in Egyptian colloquial, it means امتى حتيجي. امتى حتيجي. Ha, this is mean well, like in colloquial Levantine. تيجي, this means like حتيجي, but they pronounce jim like ga. So they say امتى حتيجي. امتى حتيجي in Egyptian colloquial. This about when in modern standard Arabic, Levantine colloquial, and Egyptian colloquial. Don't forget to put like, share, and subscribe. مع السلامة.